Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to access your T-Mobile dashboard on your phone or computer so you can manage your plan, view usage, and make changes easily. If you've been trying to check your T-Mobile account but can't find the dashboard, it's usually because it's tucked behind the app menus or the website isn't showing the right options. You might see missing features, usage info, or plan details that aren't visible. Don't worry, I'll show you exactly how to get to your T-Mobile dashboard quickly on both mobile and desktop so you can see all your account information in one place. Here's what you need to do. Step 1. Open the T-Mobile app or website. On your phone, open the T-Mobile app, or on a computer, go to my.tmobile.com. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to manage. Step 2. Sign in. Enter your T-Mobile ID and password, then tap Sign In. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one using your phone number or email linked to T-Mobile. Step 3. Access the dashboard mobile app. Once logged in, tap the Account tab at the bottom. Here, you'll see your dashboard with plan details, current usage, billing, and devices on your account. Step 4. Access the dashboard desktop. If using a PC or laptop, after signing in at my.tmobile.com, you'll automatically land on the dashboard. From here, you can navigate to usage, billing, add a line, or manage devices. Bookmark the dashboard page in your browser for quick access anytime. Step 5. Customize your dashboard view. In the app, swipe or tap different sections to see detailed usage, billing history, and device info. You can also set alerts or notifications for overages and payment reminders. And that's it. You can now easily access your T-Mobile dashboard on mobile or desktop to manage your account. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick carrier tutorials.